This is starting with number 11. So we have 11 and 12 up here, and this is asking us to solve this and combine like terms just to simplify this. Sorry, just a second. Okay, so what I like to do is stack these on top of each other. So I know that n to the fourth is my biggest one here. So I have negative 2n to the fourth, 4n cubed minus 4n squared. Okay, then I go to the next one. I have negative 7n to the fourth, nothing to the third. I have a negative 4n and a plus 1. Got rid of that one. This negative sign has to distribute to all of those. So this is going to be a negative 3, a positive 3n, and that's going to be a positive 2n to the third. Now that they're stacked, you can put them together really easily. Negative 9n to the fourth, 6n cubed minus 4n squared minus n minus 2. And that should be your answer for that. Okay, so it's going to go the same way in number 12. I see that my biggest thing is to the third, so I'm going to start there. 8n to the third minus 4n squared plus 5n. This one has a negative sign that has to go to all of them. So it's negative 4n squared plus n and plus 7n to the third. The last one is 8n squared plus n minus 2n to the third. So they're all lined up. So 8 and 7 gives me 15. Take away 2 is 13n squared. And then negative 4 and negative 4 is negative 8 and positive 8. So there isn't going to be anything there. And then the last one is 5, 6, and 7 n's. So it's 13n squared plus 7n. Okay, so those are pretty simple ones. Next, we're going to find the product for 13 and 14. All it means to be squared is that there's 2 of them. So this is 8n plus 6 and 8n plus 6. Remember to double distribute or FOIL, however you want to think about it. So that's going to give me 64n plus 48n. Then this one has to go to both. Another 48n plus 36. So these are my like terms that I'm going to put together. So I have 64n plus n squared. Sorry, that should have been squared from the beginning. 96n plus 36. Okay, same thing on 14 as I'm double distributing again. So this p has to go to all of them. So on this one, I get 2p cubed plus 7p squared minus 4p. Then I have to take this negative 6 to all of them. I like to, again, write mine stacked so they're in a nice order. So this is going to give me negative 12p squared minus 42p. Oops, 42. And plus 24. Okay, so now I can combine these and get my final answer, which is 2p cubed minus 5p squared minus 46p plus 24. (15) and 16 want us to divide. I think that the easiest way to divide is to do synthetic division. So if I'm doing synthetic division on this, 10 is what's going to go inside of my box because it's the opposite of negative 10. So it's n minus 10, which makes it 10. So then I have to go in order and make sure that nothing is left out of this. So these are already in order for me. So it's 1n to the fourth, negative 12n cubed, 11n squared, 82n, and 75. Synthetic division, drop this down, multiply by 10, gives me negative 2, negative 20, negative 9, negative 90, which is going to give me negative 8, negative 80, and a negative 5. So this has a remainder on it. So remember, this is my remainder, my number, x squared, x to the third. So my answer is x to the third minus 2x squared minus 9x minus 8. And then this is going to be negative 5 over x minus 10 because that's what I divided by to begin with. I guess technically they used ends, so if you want to switch that all to ends, you can. Number 16, these are not in order, so we have to make sure that we put them in order. So it's starting to the 5th. So it is 9 to the 5th, then I go to the 4th, it's negative 32. To the 3rd is negative 10. Squared is negative 15. Just a k is negative 39. And just a number is 12. Okay, so then when I have negative 4 plus k, that's the same thing as saying k minus 4. So inside of this box should be a 4. Okay, I drop down my 9, multiply to get 16, which is negative 16. I multiply this one